We are here with a very special episode because we're going to learn how to make shawarma. So take it away, Chef Arij.
We're going to start with the tahina sauce. We have the tahina. It's very healthy.
Okay, so we start with that.
We're going to use like maybe 3 tablespoons.
Show us all your secrets.
Yes, okay. Here we have 4
3 tablespoons or 4 tablespoons. Put it in a bowl.
And we are going to have fresh lemon juice. We're going to squeeze fresh lemon juice and mix it with the tahini. The tahina is going to harden, and a little bit is going to harden.
Right.
You see?
I think the final product in my mind should always have the color of a beautiful white sand beach. I think it should be that white color. Right now it's kind of dark. And we'll see how it changes color.
Do you see how it thickened?
Very thickened.
Yeah, very thickened. I did not add all the lemon. We'll add the rest of the lemon.
Okay, so it's still 1/2 lemon.
Yeah, 1/2,
lemon.
yeah.
Okay. Tahina and lemon.
Tahina and lemon. And we are going to add little bit of water after we mix it. Tablespoon.
Right, so here's another tablespoon
of water. And we're mixing it.
Is there anything else we're going to add to this?
Little bit of salt.
And that's it?
That's it.
Okay.
But
We also see the color is lightening up.
yeah.
So it's more white sanded. Hummus also should be this sort of lighter color.
And we can. This is the tahina we use for hummus, for baba ganoush, to make kifta. And a tahina sauce, we cook it.
Okay, so we're mixing it up. This is what? 1 more tablespoon makes how many?
Maybe 3 tablespoons.
You can see out of this bottle of water you use very little.
Very little, yeah. You see?
Yeah, I see. It's sandy. It's not too liquidy, but it is more. Has some more liquid. I suppose if it got too liquidy, would you just add more tahina?
You just add
or?
no. If it gets more liquidy, you add tahina. But if it gets too thick, and when you let it sit in the refrigerator, sometimes it gets thick. You can add little bit more water.
Okay.
We're going to add little bit of salt.
Okay, just a handful.
No,
Show us how much.
just
a tiny bit.
Tiny
Okay.
bit of salt. Yeah.
All right, got it.
That's it. Your tahina sauce is ready.
That was quick and easy.
That's quick.
And this is absolutely the most essential dressing for shawarma.
And you
And
can
falafel and many other
falafel
things, but
and for hummus, for
So-
baba ganoush, for
looking at some of the other YouTube channels, I noticed that their secret sauce was not this. It was yogurt and some other things. Maybe has some Greek influences. But the true, authentic Middle Eastern shawarma is always served with exactly this. And this is authentic, 100% tastes like the real deal. There's absolutely no difference.
we are going to get the meat ready. We have chicken breast. It's cleaned. We are going to slice it into thin slices and marinate it. And it's better to let it stay for 3-4 hours before you cook it.
Okay, so this is boneless, skinless,
Boneless, skinless chicken.
and you've let it thaw.
Yeah, no, it's fresh. This is
Okay.
fresh. Skin of an orange. This has been washed. It's clean. A skin of a lemon.
How did you come up with this skin? Why are we using this skin?
It gives the citrusy flavor to the chicken. It will be such a delicate taste. I'm going to slice half an onion. I'm going to add few mystic.
So mystic. What is
Yeah.
this? Can I see the
Arabic gum, mystica. And you buy it from the Arabic stores and you have to ask for it because they hide it. It's expensive. They don't put it on the shelf. They never display it. You have to ask for it.
So mystic gum. This is
Mystic
like
gum,
a
yeah.
secret ingredient to good shawarma. And how many did we add? Just a few
Just few.
drops almost?
Yeah, just few.
2, 3, 4, like
Yeah.
10
No,
drops.
not 10. 3,
Or
6,
less.
7, yeah. And here a teaspoon of salt. I will grind it with the salt.
So salt and mystica, and now you're gonna grind that together.
Yeah.
Can that small amount of mystic gum add flavor?
Adds a lot of flavor. Yes, it adds a lot of flavor. And we need few cloves of garlic. 3, 4 cloves of garlic.
Okay. So you peel the garlic and slice it up.
Yeah, fresh garlic. I don't like the minced garlic we buy or something, or garlic powder. We need fresh garlic. I have about a teaspoon of chicken shawarma spices you can buy at the Middle Eastern stores.
Okay. So it's called chicken shawarma spice or
Spice,
just shawarma
no,
spice?
chicken shawarma. If you are going to use beef, you can do the same, but you need to use spices for meat.
What exactly is in that? Is there a way to home make that or not really?
It is, there's a lot. Cardamom, cumin, and whole cloves, cinnamon, so many things.
Okay. So you just sprinkle that on the chicken.
Sprinkle it
We
with
haven't
chicken.
added any of our other cocktails
No,
here
no,
with
we
the
are
magic
going-
gum,
Yes.
the mystic gum, the secret ingredient, and the salt and the garlic.
We are going to mix it well with the spices and the citrusy and the onions. We're going to add the garlic. I'm going to put the garlic here
We just put that directly into a bowl.
into a bowl, and we are going to use a quarter cup light olive oil.
Okay, 1/4 cup light olive oil.
Yeah, 1/4 cup light olive oil.
Let's add that to our bowl.
The garlic
Okay, what else?
and 1/8 cup of vinegar.
Okay, just any kind of vinegar will do? Or does it
Any
matter?
kind of vinegar. I use red wine. I like it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Red wine vinegar, light colored olive oil, mix it up.
Mix it up.
Why do we need vinegar? It just adds a flavor?
It
or?
adds the flavor and your meat will be so tender. Just transfer it to the bowl.
Sure makes life easy, doesn't it?
Yeah. And I need to mix it really well and refrigerate it. To refrigerate this, I will transfer this into a container where I can seal it, close it, and refrigerate. The last spice that we are going to add is freshly crushed black pepper.
No surprise, we seem to add that on most of our dishes.
Yes.
And let that infused. Let it
That's
sit in the
enough.
fridge for 2 hours and be ready to grill, right? On the
Yep.
stovetop.
Yeah, on the stove top.
Let it sit for a couple hours, and now
We're preheating our pan, and we'll just like stir fry it, grill it. Our pan is hot. Let's taste it. Yeah. You don't want to crowd the pan, just
So here's the tahina we made earlier. We're simply going to add some in there and paint it, right?
yeah.
It's sort of like, you know, you would paint on mayonnaise onto a sandwich.
Yeah, we're going to add more.
There's different ways to do this. You can mix it and make it a salad with tahina, or you can just paint it on. We're gonna add the chicken to that. Now we're gonna add some Middle Eastern favorites.
Tomatoes.
Which you can dice as well if you want. Tomatoes, onions, raw onions.
Pickles.
These are special pickles.
Yeah, Middle
Let's show-
Eastern pickles.
Yeah,
Yeah.
let's show everybody at home kind of which pickles we use, because we want you to be able to reproduce the same taste that we're about to have here. These are Middle Eastern pickles. They have a different flavor. They taste different, and you can get them at any of the ethnic or Middle Eastern stores. So we've topped off our shawarma sandwich with add more tahina. Absolutely,
tahina,
this is the best part right here. I could just eat tahina and bread, and I'd be very happy. But this tastes so good. It looks so good too. And now we're just gonna wrap it up and devour it.